tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here in front of us for the first installment of the, I guess you can call it the RC series, we have my Redcat Rampage MT 32cc four-wheel drive monster truck, which is what the MT stands for. The only thing wrong with this truck is that I burnt the clutch out of pulling my son in a makeshift snow sled. So we need a clutch. Now I thought that I could just pull this cover off, get to the clutch. Can't do that. Got to pull the motor out. So I have to take the little cage off. I think it's these 3 bolts here and 2 bolts under the middle. Disconnect the gas lines and the linkage for the throttle. Pull the motor out, and then there's like 2 bolts that connects the clutch to the motor itself. So I have the clutch here. I bought it off eBay. It is a 8K clutch. So let's get to taking this apart and replacing the clutch. And here is the clutch. As you can see, the top part has absolutely no material. It is down to the bare metal. And then you see on the bottom, it has all the material. So this is why the clutch was not working. Time to replace that. All right, so we are back. I finally built myself a bench, and I will put a link to that video somewhere up here on the screen. So this will make it a whole lot easier to work on. All right, and for the clutch install, you have 2 different washers. You have a standard flat washer, and then you have like a wavy washer. So the standard flat washer goes directly onto the clutch housing or whatever it's called, and then the wavy washer goes onto the bolt. And make sure that your clutch is facing facing the rotation. It has arrows on there. Make sure that is the proper way that the motor is actually rotating. So then you just set that there. Drop the bolts down in there. Make sure that it goes through your washers. And then tighten down. Let me put blue Loctite on, and then I will tighten down. Alright, so the clutch is installed. Hit it with the drill impact, and now we're going to clean out the clutch housing a little bit and then get everything reinstalled. So now let's go ahead and start bolting everything back up. We need to put the motor mount bolts in. We need to put the exhaust pipe back on. We have new gasket washers and bolts for the exhaust pipe. Hook up the brake, the throttle, the fuel lines. We have a new E3 spark plug to put in. So now basically it's just reassembling everything, clean the gas tank or fuel tank, and then it'll be good to go. So So other than the roll cage, this is back together. Like I said, I do need to clean the gas tank, the fuel tank. Y'all see that? Yeah, I don't want that or any more of that getting in my carburetor. Let me figure out how to get the tank clean, and then we'll be back, and hopefully she starts and goes with the new clutch. Well, guess what? Look how clean and pretty that is. And all I did, I just took some regular fuel, you saw me, put it in the tank, let it sit for a few minutes, switched it back and forth, poured it out, and we got a clean tank. Let me put some fuel in there, put some fuel mix in there, shake it up, put it in there. Let's see if it starts. I think I have the gas mixed to 28 to 1. Turn the controller on, make sure it's on empty gas. Eject it. Oh. So it runs. I need to adjust the brake a little bit, and then we're gonna take it for a little ride. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If y'all do me a big favor and scroll over that brand new logo in the bottom right hand side of your screen, you should see a subscribe icon pop up. Click on it for me. I do appreciate y'all. See you next time. Peace.